guys, so today we're going to look at the last method to find the highest common factors, and that's using prime number factorization. So a prime number is a number that is divisible by 1 and itself and nothing else. So in a previous video we've taken 1 to 100 and we've worked out all the prime factors. So 1 isn't because it's 1 and itself, but you need to learn the first few. So you need to know, let's write down the first few so we make sure we know them. So we're going to make sure we know 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. And anything else we can work out later because we can look at it and go, is it in our tables? No, it's not. Therefore, it's not divisible by something else. It must be a prime number. So let's take two numbers. We're going to take two numbers and try find the highest common factor. So let's take 36 and let's say a larger number, 924. And what we're going to do is we're going to split this into a tree. So we're going to keep dividing by a prime number. So let's take the smallest prime number we have, which is 2, and divide by 2. We'll get 18. Divide by 2 again, and we're going to get 9. And then we can't divide by 2 anymore, so we go to the next one up, which is 3. We've got 3 and 3. So 36 is the same as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So that's what it tells us. These are all our prime numbers, and that's what that tells us. So now let's have a look at 924. So if we're looking at 924, we're going to go through that same process. We're going to say, when we divide, we're going to take the smallest number first. So we're going to divide by 2. Half of 900 is 450. Half of 20 is 10. So that gets us to 460. Half of 4 is 2. So we end up with 462. It's an even number. We can divide by 2 again. And we get 231. So half of 4, half of 6, and half of 2. Now it doesn't go into 2. Does it go into 3? Do you remember that trick? You add up the numbers. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 gives us 6, which is divisible by 3. Therefore, 231 must be divisible by 3. So we could use various methods along division to get 77. Now 77 we know is in our 7 times table and in our 11, both of which are prime numbers. So now we can see that 924 is the same as 2 times 2 times 3 times 7 times 11. So what we do is we look for two numbers that are the same. So we're saying what is the same between that? So if we have a look, we can see between these two numbers, this is what's the same. We've got 2 is the same. There's another 2 that's the same. And there's a 3 that's the same. So this tells us that the highest common factor must be 2 times 2 times 3, which gives us 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So the highest common factor of 924 and 36 is 12. Right, I hope you've enjoyed that and it's made sense. Yeah, make sure you keep watching, subscribe, send me messages, tell me what other topics I should do next. We've got factors coming up and we've got a few A-level ones, but if there's anything else in particular that you would like, not factors, I mean fractions, clearly obsessed with factors at the moment. And if there's anything else you'd like, please let me know.